Picture your 40-gallon tank not as a glass box, but as a living, vibrant ecosystem, a true centerpiece. Today, we'll reveal the top 10 most colorful, compatible freshwater fish for a 40-gallon setup, and how to keep them thriving. Let's dive in. Number 10, the neon tetra. Tiny, electric blue and red, and one of the most iconic freshwater fish you'll ever see. Their shimmering stripes seem to glow under aquarium lights, making them look like living jewels darting through the water. When kept in a school, they're absolutely mesmerizing, moving together in perfect harmony and creating a dazzling display of color and motion. For the best effect, keep at least a dozen. This way, you'll enjoy a living light show as they dart and swirl around your tank. Their colors actually intensify when they're in groups, making them even more stunning and vibrant to watch. Peaceful and easygoing, neon tetras are perfect for community tanks, getting along well with other gentle fish species. Just be sure to avoid pairing them with larger fish that might see them as snacks, since their small size makes them vulnerable. With their vibrant colors and peaceful nature, neon tetras are the perfect foundation for a colorful, harmonious aquarium that's full of life and movement. Number 9, guppies. Nature's endless design contest. Every guppy is unique, bursting with color and energy. They're live bearers, so expect babies. Keep more females than males to reduce stress. Hardy and active, they're perfect for beginners and add constant motion. Start with a small group and watch your living rainbow grow. Number 8, the betta, a living jewel and true showstopper. Known for their vibrant colors and flowing fins, these fish are a favorite among aquarium enthusiasts. Only one male per tank, as they are highly territorial and can become aggressive. But in a 40-gallon tank, he can coexist with peaceful short-finned fish like tetras or corridoras, creating a harmonious environment. Provide plenty of plants and hiding spots to establish territory and offer comfort. Bettas thrive in warm, gentle water, ideally between 78 to 82 degrees Fahrenheit. They also appreciate broad leaves to rest on, such as those of Anubias or Amazon swords. Build around his needs, and he'll reward you with unmatched beauty and personality, making your aquarium a living masterpiece. Number 7, dwarf gourami, small, brilliantly colored, and calm. Best kept solo or as a mated pair in a planted tank with floating cover. Their gentle presence and vivid hues make them a top-tier choice. Number 6, Bosamani rainbow fish. Half blue, half yellow, all energy. Keep a group of 6 or more for a dynamic, colorful display. They're peaceful, active swimmers. Just secure your lid as they can jump. A true showstopper for any mid to top level. Number 5, cherry barbs. Deep red males, peaceful and hardy. Keep in groups with more females than males for best color and harmony. They thrive in planted tanks and add a sophisticated splash of red. Number 4, Endler's live bearers. Tiny, neon-patterned dynamos. Hardy, prolific, and endlessly fascinating to breed. Perfect for planted tanks, they fill the upper levels with color and motion. A must-have for a lively, self-sustaining community. Number 3, Coolie Loach. Striped eel-like and endlessly entertaining. Keep in groups with soft substrate and plenty of hiding spots. They're peaceful bottom dwellers, adding character and cleanup to your tank. Number 2, Harlequin rasbora, rosy orange with a bold black triangle. School them in large groups for a mesmerizing, synchronized ballet. Peaceful and adaptable, they tie your community together. Their elegance and unity elevate any aquarium. Number 1, White Cloud mountain minnow. Hardy, shimmering, and cool water tolerant. Large schools create a confetti-like spectacle, thriving at room temperature. Peaceful and active, they're perfect for energy-efficient setups. Their beauty and resilience make them the ultimate choice. With these 10 fish, your 40-gallon tank becomes a living work of art. Each species brings its own unique color and personality, creating a vibrant underwater world that's both captivating and serene. Layer your choices, top, middle, bottom, for a balanced, thriving ecosystem. This ensures that every part of your tank is utilized, providing a natural and harmonious environment for your fish. Design your dream tank and let your creativity shine. Use plants, rocks, and other decorations to create a stunning aquascape that reflects your personal style and provides hiding spots for your fish. Which fish would you choose? Share in the comments and don't forget to subscribe for more aquarium inspiration. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Thanks for watching. Now go build your masterpiece. Dive into the world of aquascaping and enjoy the process of creating a beautiful, thriving aquarium.